Welcome back everyone. I hope you're all doing great. It's currently 6 a.m. right now and I'm preparing for my last practical today. After this I'll be done with all my work and only exams will be left.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine?
My practical exam went well and I'm done with it, so I'm just relaxing now. It's all preparatory days now, so I'm just relaxing watching some anime.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment. Yeah.
It did not even come this time. I had to order it from my mother's number. Oh, it's a wrong color. No.
Don't you love won't take the time?
Just
Promise you can waste the time. Fast up, we don't gotta rush now. Never gonna rush now. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
I got
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
one pillow cover.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment,
And the
yeah.
bedsheet. I'm going to put the bedsheet on, not yet, because I just put that bedsheet recently. I'll change it in some time. So yeah, that was for my unboxing. Then I listened to some music. I have listened to this song after a long time and I really love this.
Let me know if you ever think that I am too much. You got me feeling love, even though I own us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am too much. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.
It suddenly rained so much yesterday night in Delhi. I got so scared because of how loud it was. But I'm happy that it got cold at least.
Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.
I went to collect my admit card and it was so humid and it was so like sticky kind of weather, so it was really annoying.
Stay a minute.
Then I went out to have some pani puri and chaat and they were really tasty. And I also printed some PCs printout and I do this all the time. I don't buy it from the stores because they are so expensive and they look very pretty. This is how I literally spent my preparatory days, eating and doing some time pass and did nothing for the exams. Is it same for me or does everyone do the same? So that was it for my video. Next will be my exam weeks and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week.